Welcome to this beautiful day in this beautiful place where we are going to talk about the use of data in various ways. Education is a key thing. So it's very important that we educate experts in data science, both for research but also for industry. And I think it's an incredible challenge to educate these people.
And that's also why we have launched the Geronimus Academy of Data Science, a collaboration between 4 parties to drive this major enterprise for data science in the future.
I think it's always good to go ahead. If you want to change something, it's best to be the first to do it and just go ahead and show how to do it. So for the European Union, that would mean make data openly available. There are some initiatives to do that, and I like to see that.
RELX uses extensive data, so we see this in many countries, and we see how the different regulation actually drives different options in different countries.
Since you came here today to this event, I don't have to convince you of the importance of data.
And of course, if you add up the whole world, it's a tsunami of data. And you could say that's the new raw material that we could use if we unlock it.
Will we see a revolution? Potentially not. It will be an evolution.
We should also be focusing on making that part of the data that we want to be used, that we want to create incentives or penalties if it's not published in a way that it's really useful.
In Europe, we have a diversity of countries, of sectors, of communities that are united, aligned, but yet very rich and complementary.
Europe puts a lot of emphasis on ethics, law and legislation, which means that there is this additional, very important element to data science compared to what other parts of the world are developing.
I think it's a very good idea, because when we don't find a real solution how we can guarantee for the consumers privacy issue, it will not be possible to evolve new strategies and new innovations in our products and our processes. So that's a very, very important issue.
I believe the challenges that we have identified in big data and in data science are here to stay. With the rise of Internet of Things and similar technologies, we are going to see more volume, more variety, more velocity.
That automatically is related to the fact that big data, as it expands and as it grows, is going to play a more and more important role. For me, the first time I've been at this event, it's been quite impressive to see, so many countries, so many organizations. EDF has been a huge event, so having all that access to all those different countries, different insights is very valuable.
The European Data Forum is a unique community. It's this really interesting and exciting mix of people from different backgrounds, from different countries that come together once a year, exchange ideas and present their newest developments and achievements.
We cannot talk enough about the possibilities of big data. Let's join the forces. We need a complementary strategy for IT to realize a very big economy in Europe. So let's do it more and more in the coming years, and you're always welcome in Noord-Brabant.